Street Food Saturdays, we started by offering a semi-river dining experience. We'll take the trek up to the beautiful Blue and Jankro Mountain to come and have our food.
Let me start off by saying, even though I can angle myself in the kitchen, I am by no means a chef. So when Street Food Saturdays head chef Walker-Barrett had invited me for a cold stove cooking experience, manalai, I was very nervous. I don't really cook in front of people and I've never used a cold stove before. I arrived in the rural district of Mount James in the hills of Kingston St, Jamaica, which is the venue where the monthly Street Food Saturdays River Dining event is typically held.
After teaching for over 25 years, I left the classroom in 2021 and thought that I would not miss teaching, but here I am. And so I said, okay, I love the primal way of cooking. I love Jamaican food. I love every food. And so I felt that it was fitting to offer a cold stove cooking experience. So the focus is the cooking on the charcoal, but don't want to think that you're just going to cook any old thing. We cook any big flavor. We're inspired by every single cuisine.
So before we got cooking, we had some welcome drinks by Kenny K's Delights, which is honestly some of the best lemonade I've probably ever had in my life, with this cucumber and mint mix, only available here. Walking into the venue, we were already blown away by the lovely setup, but then we were given gift boxes to open. The gift box included branded kitchenware, Street Food Saturdays wooden stirring spoon, measuring spoons, a bottle of picnic sauce. Mine was guava gin, but other flavors are available. A bunch of recipe cards, which we would be using for the cold stove cooking experience. A kitchen towel. A shovel spoon, to shovel food into your mouth. And an apron. After putting on aprons and being assigned recipes, we were ready. My dish was crayfish rundown, also known as janga, swims, or Jamaican shrimp. One thing for sure, two things for certain, we are going to read the recipe cards before we start doing thing. Of course, Chef Walker-Barrett was available the whole time for any assistance. Can you tell we were as nervous as we were excited? In the interest of time, ingredients are cut up and quantified prior to the event.
So the rum is here.
If you didn't know, dancing is a part of the Jamaican cooking process. Following the recipe card provided earlier in the gift box, I put the ingredients on the coal stove, which is a staple in Jamaican culture. Used for outdoor cooking, including on trips like camping, beach, and riverside cookout.
Watch out. Hey.
Just make sure the shrimp them get them little baths.
Not the bath.
And get them little
Not the
jacuzzi.
shower.
Yeah, friend. Yeah, friend. Yeah, friend. Wifey in the making.
Couldn't help but look at everyone else's station as the food aromas filled the air.
Ooh.
Darren would love this. My husband loves to grill.
Garlic. Where the garlic? Sebastian and him friend them. Yeah.
Under the sea.
Under the sea.
I must say, for my first time cooking janga, I was impressed with how easy it was to make using Chef Barrett's recipe cards, as well as how good it smelled.
Come on, goodness. Yes. All the seasoning. Yeah. Can't tell me I never cook. Great. Yeah.
Coconut curry rundown.
And even though we're outdoors, it's Jamaica, so it's hot. Plus, we were cooking. So the river being right there on the venue was perfect. After a quick cool off and some food demonstrations, we were ready to plate and eat. What a spread! We had pimento chicken, rumfire, shrimp, red herring, pasta, steamed fish in banana leaf, plantain, sweet potato, charcoal pork loin, muffin, Django rundown, pak choy salad, paleta, Bamiyan festival.
I don't know why you so, you know. I don't know why you're so intimate with your food, you know. When I record you.
That's the word.
Mm-hmm.
That's in the video.
Otherwise,
I gave the Street Food Saturdays Cold Stove cooking experience a 10 out of 10. It was fun, insightful, unique, and interactive. It's a lovely addition to the Kingston, Jamaica gastronomic scene, plus a fun date for couples and small groups.